Let's do it. Hello. Let's go. That's the first smell. And this river, it's Ghost Ripple. There's nothing on the surface, mate. It's alright. I'll call it. I just realised that now. Right there. Yeah, if you're the sort of man or woman that when you're at a barbecue, when you're camping or there's a campfire, there's smoke from a fire, you're outside, whatever the situation. If you're of the same persuasion as I'm going to hypothesise, surmise, prescribe, prophetise. Did I already say that one? Maybe, I don't know. I just had a thought then, because that's why does the smoke always come towards you? That's forget what I just the wind's like backing me up. Does it, if that happens, and it might give you the shits, because you'd be like, sometimes it doesn't smell very good, or you don't want to smell like a fire the next day when you get home, or you're like, or it's gets in your eyes, or you're like, whatever, you're like, you got to change spots more. If you've had to change spots, I'll start again. Well, no, wait, I'll just keep going. If you've had to change spots near a campfire, I'll say more than twice. Look, frankly, if you've got to do it once for this reason, then you're like I. You're a real man, a real woman of the realm, the type that, maybe we thought was no longer at the helm, but no, we're still here. You're like me, because what it is the wind, because the wind comes to us. So I come to the water, and that's what happens, right? So, I've been saying this for quite a while. No, I've noticed it for a while. Like it talks to its nature. You're born naked, right? You're part of it. Trees, birds, water, flowers, bees. Same as we. If you're like me, I suspect you are. If you're hearing and seeing this, wherever or whenever, possible, yeah. Because it just enters up, because it doesn't smell very nice, the Pat, sometimes. Yeah, they pay a lot of money for the other places over there, and it's like, wow, the poo plant's just there. It's like, can sometimes smell really bad, and so as I approached, just I rocked up, and I said, the ripples will come towards me, the light will come towards me, the weather, it's what happens, it's what we do. It's lovely. In fact, much more than words could possibly get through to you, unless you're also me, one of we, in which case you'll know exactly what I'm saying, what I mean, what I'm trying to, the point I'm attempting to enunciate or get across from this part deep within my own dream. because my first thought was like, I was like, well, my first thought was, oh, it's cool, yeah. Hello. I said hello to the water, so, you know, because I could see them just going across. And then I got the smell of it. I'm like, oh, I was like, that's a bit of a downside. It brings, you know, you get this, you know, it's not a big downside, but I was like, oh, that's only, yeah, you know, I don't mind that. It's good. In fact, fine, happy. Get to smell what's around. It's all coming to me. That can get on my nerves at times, but that's mostly been a matter of lack of understanding from me, and getting my head around it, working it out. You know, because you don't really get told. Well, not these days, or I haven't so much. But perhaps that's the ticket I bought, and you know, the energetic ride I came down for. You know, those of old will know that. Might not, you know. Because it's like, yeah, because it happens. I've said it, I've shown each of these. Like, you can call the wind comes, you answer, you know, she answers, you know. That used to give me the shits, and I being like, and people would say, oh, it does it to you too, because it just would be like a select note, certain male women amongst the population, you know, I've been at different things with, so, and it'd be like, oh, it's another one where the smoke goes towards, right? Well, it's because you're real. It's because you're part of this. It's like you're not a background program artifact of the prop. You're not a, you know, it can be annoying, but without context, yeah, adding a layer to my own, and there'll be many others to come next. Wasn't very good English there. I was trying to avoid saying it in that way, but fuck, English is a pretty shitty, you know, I don't know. It can be a complicated and confounding way to say. Some clicks at my car. I don't give a fuck. I'll click around my car. Yeah. Yeah. Right, much love. These and the wind comes. It's like, yeah, real folk will know precisely of what they heard. No, it was not a joke. They'll know, yeah, because it's real, you know. And even in the simulation, as I've explained before, or come to that conclusion earlier in the game, spoken it out to, you know, online, still going, what for? Distracted by a whole number of little things. There's no point in me listing them out. Not the least of which is that motherfucking electronic cricket buzzing at my head, giving me a headache. But yeah, I was going somewhere with that. He'll be back, and you'll have already known what I was going to say, so you'll be right, and I'll be right. Relax. You know, much love. See, it's cold coming to us. What happens? Yeah. Anyhow. Yeah. Oh. Much love. Much love. Yep. Send a hoiking, spitting, rude, cunty shape in, because they're not real. They're like, it's part of it. It's just a dodgy part of it. You know, it's a skit. It's a script. It's attention seeking. It's an immersive environment. That's the bit. Yeah, like I can understand anyone getting their head around. It's a simulation type thing. But it has to simulate a real thing. That's what simulation is. It simulates something. It's simulating real nature. So it's nature, yeah, but embrace nature. It's lovely. It's a sim version of the real thing, right? So in that sense, if there is any, you know, confusion or no, mate, no. Yeah, it's just it's just a attention seeking. Yeah, it's the bots. They need you lots and lots, and you just don't really want them around. It's like, oh, fucking fuck. Oh, you ever like that? If that's how you've found, and yeah, an instinct is to get down generally, and annoyed or angry at the the lack of sense and the cognition of the AI implement that we're fucking walking around in. It's like, because not everything's not, well, yeah, part of nature is there's an antagonism, provocation, start a fight and make it feel like we hate you. That doesn't come from nature. Heck no. The opposite, completely the opposite. True, pure truth and love. That's what you see in nature. And they're working hard to show us on TV, and they've got, oh, it's not like that, and oh, I'd be afraid of this, afraid of that. You know, to the point that yeah, you can, bots that seem like real life, trodden on lots, doing things, because they're whatever they got, well, yes, I don't know. This is flashing. It was about to die, and yeah, I'll leave it at that. But yeah, it's the opposite of nature. Nature's truth and love. We know that. You know that. It's beyond words. It's pretty good and all that.